Here's how to conquer the B minor 7 chord in seconds. Hey guitarists, this is Mike from Guitar Essentials, and first we're going to get started with the makeup of a B minor 7 chord. You have the root, which is B, the flat third, which is D, the fifth, which is F sharp, and then the flat seventh, which is A. Now the first way we're going to learn this, and the easiest way in my opinion, is in our open position. And it literally could take seconds to learn this. So here's what makes it really easy. We're using 3 fingers of our left hand, 1, 2, and 3, and we're putting them all on the 2nd fret of the guitar. So we're going to put our first finger, 2nd fret, 5th string, 2nd finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string, and 3rd finger on the 2nd fret, 1st string, and we strum from strings 5 to 1, and there's 2 open strings, the D string and the B string, or 4th and 2nd string, and those are open. So a very nice sounding chord. So they're kind of stacked on top of each other, and that's what makes it really easy. If you already know an A major chord, you can think of it this way. Form your A major chord, move your first finger to the 5th string 2nd fret, and your 3rd finger down to the 2nd fret of the 1st string. Your 2nd finger stays on the note it's on, the A note. So that's another way to think about it. You could fluctuate between A and B minor 7. The second way I'm going to show you is in 2nd position. We're going to bar 5 strings with our first finger at the 2nd fret from the 5th string to the 1st string. Our 3rd finger is going to go on the 4th fret of the 4th string, and our 2nd finger is going to go on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string and strum strings 5 to 1. Now your first finger as a variation can also go on the 5th fret of the 1st string to get a higher voicing. And the third way I'm going to show you how to play a B minor 7th chord is at the 7th fret, we're going to put our 2nd finger on the 6th string 7th fret, and then we're going to flatten our 3rd finger across the 7th fret on the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string, and then we're going to naturally try to mute the 1st string. We're also muting the 5th string by our 2nd finger being a little bit flat fingered. You could actually strum all 6 strings if you're muting them properly. Another way or a variation on this is to bar all 6 strings at the 7th fret and put your 3rd finger down on the 9th fret of the 5th string. And another variation would put your pinky on the A note, 10th fret, 2nd string. So practice all of them in sequence. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Feel free to check out all my other chord videos that are on this channel. If you haven't yet, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Also, if you want free charts of chords, scales, and exercises, check out the link down below in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.